The president of Turkey Tayyip Erdogan raised the idea of writing a brand new constitution to replace one that Turkey has been using since 1982. The current constitution of Turkey was drafted following a military coup. So Erdogan wants to draft a new civilian constitution. Erdogan said, "It is clear that the source of Turkey's problems is that constitutions have always been written by putschists. If we reach a common understanding with our partners, we may take action for a new constitution in the future." Erdogan told supporters during the Justice and Development Party's Congress. Before coming to why Erdogan wants to change the constitution, first, you need to understand who is Tayyip Erdogan. Erdogan has governed Turkey as prime minister or president since 2002, cementing his control over the nation of 83 million people. In a democratic country, it does not happen that a single person rules the country for 19 years. In 2016, he survived a failed coup. In 2017, Erdogan held a referendum and replaced the parliamentary system with the presidential system. The opposition opposed this idea, saying that it will turn Turkey into a one-man regime. Erdogan won the 2018 presidential election and became the first president of Turkey till 2023. Erdogan can contest the election 2 times. If he wins the election that is to be held in 2023, he will again become the president till 2028, and after that, he will not be able to contest in elections. The Western media reports that Erdogan has lost his popularity in Turkey and to regain that he is thinking of developing a new constitution. President Erdogan has never lost an election, but his popularity keeps declining after the failed coup in 2016. Western media think that actually, Erdogan wants to start a debate between the Islamic fundamentalists and liberals in Turkey. By separating the right and left-wing, Erdogan can pave a way to continue his supremacy over Turkey. Now we will discuss what changes actually Erdogan wants to bring in the constitution. First, you need to know that Turkey is a democratic, republic secular state. Although Turkey is a secular state, still Erdogan's love for Islam is not hidden from anyone. Especially after he reverted the status of Hagia Sophia to a mosque. Erdogan openly promotes Islam. According to government official numbers, 99.8% of the population of Turkey is Muslim. For a country having such a religious majority, it is very difficult to stay as a secular state. Erdogan wants to turn Turkey into an Islamic state rather than a secular state. In 1913, when the Ottoman Empire fell, a treaty was signed between Turkey and war-victorious country which put several restrictions on Turkey. This treaty is known as the Treaty of Lausanne. If you want to learn about the Treaty of Lausanne, we have already made a video on that. This treaty will end in 2023. After 2023, Turkey can have its claim on the holy cities of Mecca and Medina as it was previously the part of the Ottoman Empire. If Turkey gets successful in achieving this goal, then it would be a game changer for the future of Turkey. Turkey's image in the eyes of Muslims will improve a lot. Turkey will become a regional superpower in the Middle East. In the past, Turkey desperately wanted to become a part of the European Union and to become a close ally of the United States. Now Erdogan realized that this cannot happen. So he renewed Turkey's relations with Islamic countries like Iran, Pakistan, Malaysia, etc. Being the custodian of holy cities will further help Erdogan improving its relations with Muslim countries. Obviously, a secular country can never become the custodian of holy cities. So for Erdogan, it is of prime importance to change Turkey to an Islamic state.